To pay using a gift card on the McDonald's app in 2025. Start by downloading and installing the McDonald's app on your mobile device if you haven't already. Once installed, open the app and click on the profile icon to log in or create an account. After logging in, navigate to the Payment Methods section where you can add a new payment method. Select the gift card option and enter the gift card number and PIN. The gift card number is typically found on the back of the card, and the PIN is usually provided with the card or can be obtained by scratching off a security layer. Once the gift card is added, you can browse the menu and select the items you want to order. When you are ready to check out, select the gift card as your payment method. The app will then deduct the cost of your order from the gift card balance. It is essential to note that you can also use a combination of payment methods, such as using a gift card and another payment method to cover any remaining balance. To do this, select the gift card as your primary payment method, and then select another payment method to cover any remaining amount. When using a gift card on the McDonald's app, make sure to check the gift card balance before placing your order to ensure that you have sufficient funds. You can check the balance by logging in to your account on the app or by visiting the McDonald's website. In addition to using gift cards, the McDonald's app also provides other benefits, such as exclusive offers, discounts, and rewards. By using the app, you can earn points for every purchase you make, which can be redeemed for free menu items. To get the most out of the McDonald's app, make sure to regularly check for updates and new features. The app is constantly evolving, and new features are being added to enhance the user experience. By following these steps, you can easily pay using a gift card on the McDonald's app in 2025. The process is straightforward, and the app provides a convenient and secure way to use your gift card to purchase your favorite McDonald's menu items.